Do you wish you could quit teaching and start working from home so you could spend more time with your babies? Are you tired of scouring the internet for legit jobs that will replace your teaching income and that you can do from home in your PJs? Hey mama, welcome to Ditch the Classroom. I know you're over there Googling jobs for teachers, legit work at home jobs, or start a side hustle, yet you can't figure out how to take that first step toward quitting teaching. So instead, you stay stuck, do nothing, or start random side hustles to make quick money. Virtual assistance is the answered prayer you've been waiting for. My name's Ariana, and I'm a former teacher turned work-at-home mom who replaced my teaching income as a virtual assistant in just 6 months. I did this by taking a step of faith and following the dream that God placed on my heart to be home with my babies. Sister, your dreams pale in comparison to God's dreams for you. Imagine offering services that light you up and having a job that works around your life and not the other way around. This is the podcast for you. It's time to take that first step out of teaching. Are you ready? Here we go. Welcome, y'all, to the Ditch the Classroom podcast. If you've been around for a while, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm so excited to have you joining us, listening in. And we are starting a brand new series today called The ABCs of Becoming a Virtual Assistant. This means that each day for the next 26 days, weekdays, not weekends, I'm going to be teaching you about essential parts of what it takes to become a virtual assistant. So today's episode, obviously, we're starting with the letter A. A is for abilities. A lot of people think that they need to have all of this experience, all of these abilities up front in order to become a virtual assistant. And that is not the case. One of the biggest things that I teach my Teacher Turned Freelancer Academy students is that you can learn as you go. You can use Google University or YouTube University. You can figure things out. You can practice. We are all about done, not perfect over here. Okay, so you don't need to know how to do everything up front. You can learn as you go. And I just want you to understand that. If you want to feel a little bit more confident in your journey to becoming a virtual assistant, I want to invite you to join the Teacher Turned Freelancer Academy. This has everything you need to become a successful, profitable virtual assistant. We've got all the tools, templates, trainings, resources, accountability, and support that you need to quickly make this your thing and replace your teaching income so that you can work from home with your babies. So go check that out at teacherturnedfreelancer.com. Can't wait to see you in there. And I know this episode was kind of short. Some of these episodes will be pretty brief. Some will be a little bit longer. So I just want you to know that ahead of time. But make sure you tune back in tomorrow for B, the letter B, in the ABCs of becoming a virtual assistant. Can't wait to see you guys back here, and we will see you tomorrow. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I'd love to bless you with a free gift as a thank you. All you have to do is leave a review of the show on Apple Podcasts, take a screenshot, and send it to podcast@ditchtheclassroom.com. I'll send you a code so you can snag my Ditch the Classroom toolkit for free. And don't forget to come hang out with us in our free community, facebook.com/groups/Ditch the Classroom. I'm so honored to support you in your journey to becoming a virtual assistant. Until next week, y'all, keep following the dreams that were placed on your heart so you too can ditch the classroom.